Hey y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage Shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? And have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky? Yeah, the Tesla picker trying to get a Tesla. Yeah, but this Kevin, and I'm here to tell y'all that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just want to make a video about, a couple of things. Sometimes I get to talk to y'all about, how to do stuff on eBay or what to pick up. Sometimes, I tell y'all some of the things I sell and I like picking up when I see them. First off, I want to show y'all what I'm proud of this, because I sell a whole lot of tennis rackets. And I picked up this one. It's a Dunlap. It's a Dunlap tennis racket, but it's some kind of gel jack of a racket. See it? $73 I sold this. Sold this for $73. I'm proud of it. I pick up tennis rackets all the time. They're $2, $3, whatever. And sometimes they're not worth nothing, like $12, whatever. But I got a whole lot of them on there worth over $50. So, I looked up on these. I've got a whole lot of these together. At one place I bought all of them. $73. I want to go over. One time I went to. Sorry, y'all. One time I went to a yard sale and I bought a whole lot of CDs for like $5. I think it was like probably 100 CDs. You know what I'm saying? So I bought them, and I'm just now getting around to list them. And some of them ain't worth nothing, But I paid $5 for like 100 CDs. So I just want to go through a couple of them to show y'all what I got. This is Eric Clapton. I just list this for $4.30, free shipping. I make $1 off of whatever. But like I said, if I sell like all 100 of them, I made $100 at $1 a piece, and all I paid was $5. It's Eric Clapton, real good, in real good condition. Some of these I don't know the name of. This is Ted Snyder. I don't know who that is, but I put it on there for $5.80. $5.80. This one is Audio Head. Audio Head. I don't know who the hell that is. It's selling on there for $6. This one is Bush 16 Storm. It's selling for $5.50. All these gonna be free shipping. So let's go up on the medium amount. All of them free shipping, all of them. So I'm not worried about it. If I make $1 a piece, whatever. This right here is 5 for Fighting. Never heard of them. It's on there for $5. This is Oreo Speedwagon. Y'all know who they are. This ain't selling too good, but this one for $5.30. This is Aerosmith. It ain't selling for hardly nothing. This is $4.50 on there. Aerosmith. This is some of them that I picked through. I just grabbed a stack of them and brought them to work. This is Cuckoo Dolls, $4.40 on eBay. This is I never heard of these. The Cranberries, whatever, $5.40 on eBay. This is the Poppies 3. I can't even find this, but I'm gonna list it for a couple of dollars or whatever on eBay. I just couldn't find no listing, but I'm gonna list it. This is Jimi Hendrix. I got Jimi Hendrix on there for $10. Everybody that's selling it is from Germany or from Australia. Nobody from America is selling this. I'm just wondering why. But Anyway, this is a Insignia. I don't know who this is. $7.50. This is the most expensive one I got. $7.50. I'll take that back. It's not the most expensive. This is the president's. I don't know who they are. The presidents of the United States of America. I don't know. $5.50. This one the most expensive one I got. Forshal Initico, whatever that is. Y'all can read that. This is $10 on eBay. Okay, these are the ones I just grabbed this morning before I came to work. And I said, let me, list these while I'm sitting at work. You know what I'm saying? I had them for over, I want to say over 5 months. I had these, and I got hundreds more. I got like probably about 75 more. That I'm gonna list. I'm just trying to list, the stuff that I got instead of keeping it. I'm just trying to list all the stuff to get rid of it. I'm kind of bummed out. All them bags I showed y'all on my last video. None of that stuff selling. When sometimes when you go on eBay, you gotta watch it, because when you go on eBay and you look up your comps, and they real good in the store. But when you get home and do research on them, they ain't worth nothing. I don't know how that worked, because it looked good when I was in the store when I looked some of that stuff up. But now I gotta find a way. I don't care if I sell it for $1. I gotta get rid of that stuff. I got too much stuff. You all seen my office. You know what I'm saying? It ain't. You saying it's over? It's just. I need to move some stuff. So you guys know I like to buy sunglass cases. I've been telling y'all about them. Sunglass cases. You have to get the name brand ones though. You can't get ones with no name on it. I mean, they might look good, stuff like that. First of all, they like 50 cents to $1 a piece. This one right here I got the other day. It's a Ray-Ban one. See, I paid $1 for it. It's a brown Ray-Ban, but they ain't worth nothing on eBay but about $8 or something like that. But sometimes you luck up, and when you open them up, you paid $1 for them. They had a Ray-Ban sunglasses. This the Ray-Ban sunglasses right there. They cracked. See, they crack in them. But these are the sunglasses that was in there. And if they in there, it's $1. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. They just throw these in there, whatever. But these Ray-Bans right there, I can sell this Ray-Ban case for $8. I paid $1 for it, and then I could charge shipping. This right here, I ain't look it up, but it's got a name on it. Steroflex, whatever that is. I ain't look it up yet. But since it had a name on it, it's a nice looking case. I went on ahead and bought it. Even though it's probably not worth nothing, I bought it anyway because I like that name. So the advice I'm giving y'all don't really mean nothing. This right here is from Stepper Eyewear. I looked this up. This is a $10 case. Stepper Eyewear. Never heard of this company, but I looked it up. $10. I paid $1 for it. This is Sun Gear. It's a Sun Gear case. This is on there for $11.95 free shipping, but I think I charge $2 shipping sometime. But this Sun Gear, if I had the sunglasses is worth a whole lot of money. The most I ever sold sunglasses for, because you guys know I buy sunglasses too, $156. It was a pair. When I go to this one store, they always have these sunglasses in a big old basket. So I picked the whole basket up, and I walk through the store and pick what I want. Then I stop and go through the basket before I leave the store. I found some glasses in there that look like safety glasses. They look just like, how can I put it? They look like Oakley's. But they had more of a safety glass design. So I looked them up while I was in the store. The brand new pair sold for $220. I was like, damn. So these are used. I put them on there they were selling a used one for for $170 something. I put mine on there. You guys know I undercut. And I just paid $1 for them. So I put mine on there for $150. It's sold. So I'm not trying to be greedy, but I'm gonna make me some money. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else had $175, $165. I put $150. You know what I'm saying? So mine sold. The rest of them still sitting on there. And all I paid was $1. So every time, I forgot the name of the sunglasses, but I'm gonna look them up on my what I sold on eBay, and I'm gonna look them up to get the name. But I'm trying to look for unusual names while I'm looking through the stuff. I don't know what the hell I just yawned for. What the hell? I don't know. Just yawned all of a sudden. This is a Liz Claiborne. You see I paid $1 for that? Liz Claiborne sunglass case. I got a lot of those. I've been selling those for $8. This is a Vogue sunglass case. And I sold a Vogue case just like this before, but it had Vogue sunglasses in it. You know, but I figured I could probably get about $10 for this case. I paid $1 for it. Don't pass these up, y'all. Here go a black Ray-Ban. $1. Now this one, I gotta clean the inside of it up. See all that mess in there? I gotta clean the inside of this one up, but I don't care. It's $10 right here. Yeah, I thought I had more sunglass cases than this. I just bought these the other day. These sunglass cases the other day, so I got hundreds of sunglass cases. This right here, now I don't know, I didn't look this one up. I just grabbed it because, first of all, I say Polar Optics on it. See that? But then when I open it up, it had these little clip-ons. They look like child clip-ons though. But, and it's a nice case. Look at that case. It say Polar Optics in there. But I'm gonna look it up and see how much they are, and then I'm gonna look to see if this Polar Optics, this clip go with that. But it was in this case, and it looked like it was made for that. See how small that case is? It looked like it was made for those clip-ons. So I think that goes together. I don't know. Another thing, I was in my favorite store again. You know, the store, because you know the handyman right there. See the handyman? So, you know, I shop in the hardware stores. So I go through the clearance while I'm in there. See that? 80 cents. The regular price is $9.99. It was on clearance for $3.19. See, don't go to clearance price. It was on clearance for $3.19. They marked it down to 80 cents. It's still on the eBay for $12. So that's how much I'm getting for it, $12. Plus I'm putting my $2 on there. So I probably make about $8 off of this, whatever. I pay 80 cents. I don't know what to tell y'all. You know, I just wanted to make a video about some things that you can buy that other people not buying. People walk past these sunglass cases. I don't. People walk past coffee mugs. I don't. I paid 50 cents for now they marked them up though because of COVID. But I paid 50 cents to $1 for coffee mugs. Starbucks, whatever, something funny, whatever. I got hundreds of them that I probably need to go ahead and list. But anyway, quit passing stuff up, y'all. It's money out there. Sunglasses, sunglass cases, mugs. So I got this cup. You probably seen on one of my videos. I got this cup, Margaritaville. One of them cups with the straws in it. But they don't have a straw. But Margaritaville, that Margaritaville 32-ounce cup is selling for $19.99. I paid $1 for that. So then I bought this. I looked at this hardcover little case thing, and I opened it up. It's a clock. It's an alarm clock. See that? And it's made, I paid $2 for that. Look, $2. It's made by, I forgot the Seth Thomas. This thing sells for $19 on eBay. $19. I paid $1 for it. So you guys look for unusual stuff. You see stuff like this. I never heard of Seth Thomas, but I looked on eBay, and some of their stuff, if you get them hardwood clocks they got on there, some of their stuff worth $2,000. I would have never known that unless I bought this. Seth Thomas. So now I'm looking for Seth Thomas stuff. So I'm just telling you right now, you learn stuff by selling stuff on eBay. You learn stuff by sourcing and buying stuff that you don't usually buy. I bought this. I don't usually buy stuff like this. And I looked the guy's name up, and you get some of his stuff, some of his good stuff, you'll be making some money. But anyway, y'all, my next video I'm gonna show, because I get a whole lot of people asking me, how do you start selling on eBay and stuff like that. So my next video, I think I'm gonna go through some stuff on how to start selling on eBay for people. You know, I've been doing this since 2002. You know, I've been selling on eBay since 2002, but I've been selling stuff all my life, just about. So, you know, all you guys out there that want to get into eBay, I don't really want to show you because y'all are competition, but I'm gonna show you anyway because that's what we do. We try to help each other out. So, I'm just gonna, my next video, after I tell y'all what I sold, stuff like that, I'm gonna go over some stuff. You know what I'm saying? But look for stuff that you don't usually buy. I'm telling you, y'all be missing out on some money. But anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. You know, I want that thumbs up though. Yeah, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And I'm getting ready to get off work. I'm getting ready to go do my yard check, my lot check. You know, check all the trailer before I get off. Then I got to show y'all something that I just bought. Woo! For $200. It's a truck that ain't ran in 6 years. 6 years it haven't ran. But I'm getting ready to rebuild the engine. I pulled the oil stick out. It's got a blown head gasket. But I don't care. It's a Chevy 454. You know what I'm saying? A big block Chevy. The same thing I got in my 65. So, anyway, y'all. Yeah, I'm picking up stuff. Anything. So you better not leave nothing laying down. I'm going to get it. You know what I'm saying? The next thing I'm going to do is see it on eBay. But this is going to be my new work truck, y'all. But anyway, y'all stay safe out there. And if y'all out there looting, you better quit that damn looting. You know, quit that looting, you damn thieves. All y'all need to be locked up, you looters. So anyway, I just want to tell y'all that, you know, next thing you know, y'all gonna be watching me. And I'm still gonna be picking in the hood too. Yeah! Woo, I'm still gonna be picking in the hood. Regardless, I'm gonna be 90 years old in a wheelchair picking in the hood. Yeah! Peace.